Hello, my name is Ryan Legg, Digital Solutions Manager for Iconics, a group company of Mitsubishi Electric. We're excited to be here at CES 2024 as part of the overall Mitsubishi Electric family. For nearly 4 decades, Iconics has been offering software solutions driving productivity and efficiency. These solutions cover a wide range of sectors, and I'd like to give a brief introduction for one of them, our digital solutions for manufacturing. Leveraging being a part of the Mitsubishi Electric family, we're bringing solutions such as predictive maintenance for factory automation, robots helping manufacturers to drastically reduce unplanned downtime. We have also helped manufacturers achieve their sustainability goals by optimizing energy consumption and reducing carbon emissions, ultimately leading to one of Mitsubishi Electric's key goals of advancing towards a sustainable, smart society. Whether you're a small to medium-sized manufacturer or a large multinational, Iconics delivers solutions that increase productivity, decrease downtime, and increase quality. Even the smallest of deployments, value can be realized as manufacturers set out on their digital transformation journey. The scalable and modular Genesis 64 platform offered by Iconics allows our customers to start with a small proof of concept before committing time and resources to a large-scale deployment. Once proven successful, it is easy to scale up from there. Together with hardware solutions from Mitsubishi Electric Factory Automation Group and the Iconics software solutions, we are automating the world. The Iconics Genesis 64 platform is a trusted solution with installations in 70% of the global 500 companies, accounting for 375,000 installations worldwide. Please stop by our booth in the West Hall at number 3541 to learn more about how we can support you on your digital transformation journey. We look forward to seeing you at CES.